We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not ringing on incoming calls. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you want to go and turn on the ringer. We're guiding you through this so you can do it on any iPhone. So the ringer is really useful because when you go and get a notification or a text or a call, your iPhone will go and make a sound. This means you can easily go and know because otherwise it's easy to go and miss. You can go and be in a situation where you sometimes don't want to go and have it making a sound. So we can guide you through how you can know that it's off as well. But of course, in this video, we're focusing on turning it on. There are different ways you can go about it as well. So make sure this full guide so you know the different ways, as some ways using an older iPhone may be a little bit different, but don't worry, we're explaining it all in this video. And so at the end, your iPhone will be making a sound when you get a call, text, or notification. And we'll guide you through how you can go make it louder as well. So let's go and get right into this. What you need to do is first of all find the settings app on your iPhone. By default, it's going to be on the home page here, but you can always drag down like this and go and search for settings and open it up. In settings, you want to go and scroll down. Go and find the option for sounds and haptics. As you can see here it is. Now at the top, you're going to go and see silent mode. So silent mode is the opposite to the ringer. If the silent mode's on, the ringer is going to be off. If silent mode's off, the ringer is going to be on. So you can go and see with this on, the iPhone will not play ringtones, alerts, and system sounds. iPhone will still play alarms, timers, music, and audio from videos. So what we can do is go and turn this off, and that means the ringer is now on. If you come down to ringtone and alerts, you can go and see the volume bar as well, which you can tap and hold, and you can make it louder or quieter. So I have mine on the max. Alternatively, you can go and drag down on the top right to go and open up the control center on the battery, and you want to go and find the bell icon. Once again, if this is highlighted, you'll go and see silent mode's on, meaning ringer is off. So let's go and tap it, and then silent mode's now off, meaning the ringer is now on. So you can go and press that button to go and change it. And the last way you can go and do it is with the button or switch on your phone above the volume rockers on the left-hand side. So on the older iPhones, it's a switch you push up or down, and when you change it, it will go and say at the top of the phone. But on the newer ones, it's a button. So you can tap and hold it. You'll go and see it now says silent, meaning ringer is now off. Tap and hold it again, it will say ring, meaning ringer is now on. That's it. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.